Welcome learners for the lecture 20 of mathematical method, that is the MSc second year of a semester third. Today we getting as a some example that will be depending on the convolutional theorem. Okay, let us go started as the first example to depending on this form. Okay, example first. Function of a cosine, that is a a square upon 2 xi equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 1 by a e to the power xi square upon 4a square. This is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. Left hand side considering and right hand side will be proof. Okay, let us go started as the proof of this solution. Okay, we know that the function of a cosine means this formula will be generated, that is the f of t. This formula all expanding to the form in the previous lecture or other than lecture that will be considering how to get it as a formula. Okay, function of a cosine means the Fourier transform of the cosine. F of t xi equals to square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity f of t cos xi t dt. Okay, what is f of t? F of t, this equation for getting as an example e a square upon 2. Okay, put up to the value of this equation that will be generated to the value. Okay, all this form will be generating to the value e to the power minus a square by t square xi equals to square root of a 2 by pi e to the power minus a square t square cos xi t dt. Okay, this first equation, this is getted as a equation first, put up to the form that is a represented as a I. Okay, this equation is represented as a I. Then differentiated, first of all differentiated both of the side of the equation. Then equation will be generated di upon dxi equals to square root of a 2 by pi differentiation d by dxi integration 0 to infinity this equation. Okay, then after that square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity to the power minus a square t square d upon dxi, they differentiated cos xi t dt. Okay, what is the differentiation of a cos? Minus sin xi t dt. Then put up to the value, that means square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity, they considering to the value minus sin xi t into t, they generated as a value minus t is a common, minus sin and t is a common, e to the power minus a square t square sin xi t dt. Okay, this equation. Then after that balancing to the this equation, multiply as a denominator to the form, that is a 2a square. Okay, both of these 2a square into 2a square cancelling to the form numerator as well as denominator. Then put up to the value square root of a 2 by pi 1 upon 2a square integration 0 to infinity minus 2a square into t e to the power minus a square t square sin z t dt. Okay, this will be the form. Then square root of a 2 by pi into 1 by 2a square integration 0 to infinity d by dt of a e to the power minus a square t square. This equation is called as a e to the power minus a square t square, because of this is the equation will be generating in differentiated form. This differentiation considering this form sin z t means only to the condition this value minus 2a square into t to the power minus a square t square, if differentiated d by dt of this value, they getting as a solution this, hence this solution put it to the value of this. Then integrated by the part of this differentiation, 1 by 2a square into square root of a 2 by pi sin xi t e to the power minus a square t square minus of a integration 0 to infinity minus cos xi t into xi e to the power minus a square t square dt. Okay, by using to the formula of a integration u into v, this will be expanded to the form. Then after expanding to the form, then solve to the equation 1 upon 2a square into square root of a 2 by pi, limit will be considering to the form. And previous lecture we state that how to the formula is gotten and this value generated as a 0. Then value will be put at 1 upon 2a square root of a 2 by pi, this is considering as a 0, minus this is also sin 0 is also 0, minus xi integration 0 to infinity cos xi t e to the power minus a square t square dt. Okay, this will be considering to the equation. Why get it? Limit x tends to infinity sin xi x equals to 0 as well as sin 0 equals to 0 up to this value. Means di upon dxi equals to minus 1 upon 2a square xi square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity cos xi t dt will be generated. Okay, this is the value we'll be considering to the form of a di upon dz, and this is called two value will be getted to the form. This is all equation is called as a I. For generating to the when starting as the example, they will be put up to the value of a equation first. By equation first will be get it. Okay, minus 1 upon 2a square xi upon xi into I. Okay, di upon dxi equals to xi into I, because of value will be considering 2a square minus will be considering this. Balancing to the form, I will be generated as a numerator to denominator. Di upon I equals to minus dxi will be multiply this equation 2a square. Okay, then third step is also integrating to the form. Then integrated to the equation, integration di upon I equals to minus 1 upon 2a square integration xi dz. Di upon I is considered as a log I. Value will be generated log I equals to minus 1 upon 2a square xi square 2 plus constant value will be generated as a log. When log a equals to constant of a integration, then solve to the what is a log a. Log I minus log a equals to minus xi square upon 4a square. Then you know that log is considering to the minus sign, they generated as a numerator as well as denominator equals to xi square upon I square. And log will be considering to the another side, left hand side to the right hand side, they generated as an exponential form, that is a e. The I upon a equals to e xi square upon 4a square. Then I equals to a into e to the power xi square upon 4a square. This is the second equation. To find the a, for xi equals to 0, if value will be getted as a value, then I equals to also 0 will be considering. Means I equals to a equals to square root of a 2 by pi to the power minus a square t square, cos considering as a 0 dt, for xi equals to 0, means xi it is called as an angle will be generating cos 0. Then cos 0 equals to 1, then square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus a square t square dt will be generating. Then value will be generated this equation, you know that a square t square is the same, minus at square will be generated. Then put at equals to y and a dt equals to dy, because a constant for differentiating value, same as a dt equals to dy by a. Same as limit is also changes when t equals to 0, y equals to 0, t equals to infinity, y equals to also infinity. Then a equals to square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power at equals to y minus y square dy upon a. Then getting or solving, 1 by a is a constant, they considering square root of a 2 by pi, 1 by is a common, integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus y square dy will be generated. Then square root of a 2 by pi into 1 by a, this is equation for a solving, that is the integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus y square dy equals to square root of a 2 by pi. Then multiply both of this equation, a equals to 1 upon a is a denominator, then getting as this value in a bracket, square root of a pi by 2 means a equation, that is a 2 is called as a multiply square root of a 2 into square root of a 2. First denominator cancel and getting as a this square root of 2. Then put up to the value of a in this equation, then I equals to 1 upon a square root of a 2 into e to the power xi square upon 4a square. Hence proof of the left hand side equals to right hand side of the equation for giving as an example, that is a function of the Fourier transform e to the power e to the power considering as a value minus a square t square equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 1 by a e to the power xi square 4a square. Okay, this is the first example. Next is the second example, same as getting as an example. First of all, differentiated, after that integrated, second is the integration for value will be given. Okay, let us go started as a second example. Function of a cosine Fourier transform e to the power minus x square xi equals to, considering that value, we know that the equation, this is formula of a cosine, then put up to the function e to the power minus x square in this equation equals to I, This is first equation. Then differentiated with respect to xi on the both side. Then di upon dxi equals to square root of a 2 by pi integration generating to the value as well as differentiating to the both of side, left hand side as well as right hand side. Square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity to the power minus x square constant. Only consider this form. Cos is differentiated to the form. This is called as a minus sin xi x into x will be generated to the form. Then square root of a 2 by pi 1 by 2 integration 0 to infinity. This is called as a minus 2 x e to the power minus x square sin xi x dx. Will be considering. Then this is 2 means square root 2 into square root 2. 1 square root 2 and square root 2 cancel. 1 upon square root of a 2x will be generated or 2 pi will be generated. Integration 0 to infinity d by dx e to the power minus x square sin xi x dx will be considering. Okay. After that, integrate to the part of this equation di upon dxi equals to 1 upon square root of a 2x sin xi x into e to the. This rule will be considering u into v for the equation. U differentiation of a v minus u differentiation of the integration of the v will be putting to the formula of this equation. Then after that, 1 upon square root of a 2 pi limit x tends to infinity sin xi x is considering first form e to the power minus x square. You note that the formula will be expanding or considering to the form. This is a 0 and minus sin 0 e to the power minus x 0 will be considered because first and second limit will be generated. Minus xi is a common integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square cos square z square. Okay. Then after that, first equation is a 0 and this value considering to the form. Then put up to the value minus xi by 2 will be considering to the form and generated to the equation square root of a 2 by pi. Then di upon dxi equals to minus xi upon 2. This equation is called as a I by using as a equation first. Di upon I equals to minus xi upon 2 dxi will be generated. On integration, will be considering to the form log I equals to 1 by log I means this will be considering and this is a constant form, log A is a constant. Then value will be generating log I minus log A equals to xi square by 4. Then I will be considering this log is considering in the right hand side, they expanded in the exponential form e to the power minus I square by 4. Then I equals to a e to the power minus I square by 4. To find the value of a for xi equals to 0, then put up to the equation second for I equals to a e to the power 0 equals to only means I equals to a. What is meant by I is the square root of a 2 by pi. This is considering as a equals to I. And what is the equation of I? For equation first, that is a square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity to the power minus x square cos considering as a xi equals to 0 dx. Okay. Then cos 0 equals to 1 only expanding to the form and generated to the value. A equals to square root of a 2 by pi square root of a 2 by pi pi by 2. Then both of these cancelling to the form. No, this is not getted only square root of a 2. Then you know that square root 2 means square root 2 into square root 2. Both of these cancelling only remaining of the 1 upon square root 2. Substitute the value of a in this equation I equals to 1 upon square root 2 e to the power minus xi square by 4. Then proof will be considering f of c e to the power minus x square xi equals to 1 upon square root of 2 e to the power minus xi square by 4. This is the proof of the left hand side as well as right hand side. This is a most important example and this is only solving to the first step, that is the first is considering as a value will be putting as a f of t that is generated to the form is a equation will be given to the form and represented as a I. This is first equation. Second form that is a differentiated to the both of the side, left hand side as well as right hand side. Third step is a integrated to the form, finding to the value of a for integration to the value because I equals to a for xi equals to 0 will be considering. Okay. And last step will be generated, put all this value and hence solution will be